How to fix the garage door closes then immediately opens. So here you can see the garage door closing, and as soon as it's hitting the ground, it quickly bounces back up. So what are some of the ways that you can do to fix this problem? First, you want to check and adjust the travel limit settings on your garage door in the operator. So the issue is that the garage door opener's travel limit is set incorrectly, causing the door to hit the ground too early or trigger a safety reversal. To fix the problem, you may want to consult your garage door opener's menu for instructions on adjusting the travel limit settings. Increase the closing distance slightly and test the door's operation. So here on this controller, you can press the up or the down button to set your travel limit. Now, another things that you need to do is inspect and clean the safety sensors on your garage door. So the issue is that the safety sensors are misaligned, dirty, or obstructed, preventing them from detecting the closing door. So to fix the issue, you want to ensure both sensors are aligned and facing each other directly. The LED lights on both sensors should be steady. You can also clean the sensor lenses with a soft, dry cloth and remove any obstacles, debris, cobwebs, etc. from the sensor path. Now, not all garage doors have sensors, so depending on your installation, if you do have sensor, you want to check the sensor on the side and make sure the sensor are working correctly. Now, next you want to check for obstructions. So the issue is an object might be blocking the door's path as it closes, causing it to reverse. To fix it, thoroughly inspect the garage floor for any objects in the door's path. Check if any items are hanging from the ceiling or stored on shelves that might interfere with the door's movement. Also, you may want to lubricate all the moving parts on your garage door. So the issue is that the door's rollers, hinges, and tracks are dry, causing friction and resistance that can trigger the reversal mechanism. So to fix this issue, you want to apply a silicone-based lubricant to the rollers, hinges, and tracks, and wipe off any excess lubricant to prevent it from attracting dirt. Another thing that you can do is test the door balance. The issue is that an unbalanced door can put extra strain on the door opener and potentially causing it to reverse. So to fix it, disconnect the opener and manually lift the door halfway. If the door doesn't stay in place or falls, it needs to be rebalanced by a professional. And lastly, you can try to reset the garage door opener. So sometimes a simple reset can resolve electronic glitches in the opener. So to fix it, you can unplug the garage door opener from the power outlet, wait for a few minutes, and then plug it back in and try operating the door again. And that's it. So hopefully those tips will help you to improve or fix your garage door issue with unable to close it properly, and then it just reopen again.